So this is my website. Here you can see the means where to go feature will tell you the details of the trains, like entering the stations to stations and choosing the date, which we will it will take some time and just get all the
Mhm.
details of the train.
So how do you
Sometimes I have also used
basically? Yeah, please
yeah.
go ahead.
I have used the APIs. Sometimes the APIs are not working properly, so I'm just and the searching algorithm which I have using, it's also taking the time. So I have been like working on it to optimize it. So this is the result of the train, which runs between these two stations on that day.
Okay.
Apart from this, you have the PNR status checking. Here you can see you can enter your PNR details
Mhm.
and just ask it for the current status of your bookings. Yeah, this is the status of this
So
booking, this
yeah.
ticket.
So I'm surprised to know this. Can you? So, are there any more pages you have in this website? I'll just
Yeah, I have like
pages.
search train. Yeah, this is the search train pages means I have only implemented on the all the features on the single page also only, so that the users might not get any confusion. It will be easy for them to handle or
Got
ask
it.
any queries. So this is the search page where I will search if I know the train name, I can search its details, where when and where it is running. So if I write Bhopal, then all the trains with the name Bhopal Habibganj, and all the trains will be listed below. So I can easily find out which train I was searching. And one more feature is route. Sometimes we have to just before planning any trip, we have to just go through the route of the any train. So I just need to enter train number of the train number, and just I will get the route of the train. So this is the route. This is from Hyderabad to New Delhi, maybe Hazrat Nizamuddin. So I can check the route and the timings where from where I have to board and all things.
Okay.
One
Okay.
more feature
Now,
is like
yeah, please show
uh,
that one more feature as well.
yeah, feature is not because I have not allowed to like book tickets for the user, but I have attached linked one IRCTC's AI. This is askdisha.com.
Yeah.
Ask Disha. This in the book tickets, it will help the user to book the tickets as soon as like in a very efficient and easy manner. And this platform is also well proved and well approved by IRCTC, so that though there cannot be any scam with the user, they can uh, pay here and book their tickets.
Got it.
It is loading
Okay.
maybe sometime.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. So I have few questions on
Okay.
how exactly you are getting all the data. For example, one question I have is when I write my PNR number, I wanted to understand that
Yeah.
how exactly you have implemented this feature where when I write the PNR and I click on search button, what APIs are
Yeah.
being called? I want to understand that part. So do you have somewhere where
Okay.
all the APIs? Is there any API
Uh,
documentation?
Documentation. I have this API. So I have PNR API. I have taken from this Rapid API.
Hmm.
Uh, this is the API which I am using for PNR details. And here I just need to enter the query as the PNR number, and correspondingly it will show the details of all the PNR status. If the PNR is like if the ticket is we can say that if the ticket is cancelled,
Hmm.
then it will show that this PNR is not gone, not we cannot found this PNR. Yeah, I have using JavaScript. Yeah. I have been using these fetch functions for the JavaScript, where I will be like using this URL and getting all the data from the PNR.
Okay. Are you aware of what fetch is used for?
Yeah, fetch is used for fetching all the data from a JSON file, or we can say from any file. Like here, I am passing this URL. So this URL can be the source of the data, and with some options. Options means if the URL is asking for any kind of restriction, any kind of password in authentication. So from this option, I will be giving my IDs and password to it, and then I can fetch the data from this particular URL, and that the fetched data will be which I can use as a key value pair in the JSON by converting it to JSON, and it will be easy for to like go through the data and all things.
Okay.
Fetch returns all
Okay.
the data from the URL. It returns all the data.
Okay. That's okay. I think that's clear. Just few more questions. Can we go back to? Can you open the code base for this?
Uh, it's RailGuru's code.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And another question while you open that, uh, have
Yeah,
you used all the different APIs from this
yeah.
platform, Butter
I
API?
have used all the not all from here. Some APIs I found on the GitHub also. It was just a link which I just found the link, and I just searched the link in the Google, and I got some data in the JSON format. So I used the fetch method to fetch that data in my code. Okay,
Okay,
so
got it. What part I'm looking for is I want you to show the code where specifically you are fetching all the details. So I want to see where you have written all the APIs.
yeah, yeah. Basically, you can see here in the index file, index HTML. I just need to find. Yeah, this is the PNR details. This is the PNR section where I am getting the input. Here I am getting the input of the PNR, and on clicking this button, I have implemented some logic behind it. This is PNR.js. You can see on that button, what will happen is like I will just call the API. How we can see here. Yeah,
Hmm.
I will just initialize all the yeah yeah. This is my PNR. Initially, I am just fetching the details. Whenever button is clicked, I am just fetching this PNR variable. It is from yeah, you can see the values from this variable. I am fetching the details of that particular PNR. After that, on getting the PNR, there may be some chances like sometimes PNR information is not found. Then I will show the alert message, and whenever I get the PNR, so I will just add them into the code uh, into the HTML format. So for that, I have just going through. I have see actually
Yeah,
I
I
have
think that's
the
clear.
data in the form of this response in the JSON file.
Got it.